Hi everyone, I'm back with my Junk Journal January 2025 challenge, and today's prompt is going to be neutral. So I have this page which definitely is not neutral, so I'm going to cover it up with some old papers. So I have this and this with me, so that's what I'm going to use on these pages. And after that I have the plan of putting some neutral colors on top of this vintage papers, and that will contribute to my part of the challenge. So I'm going to create a very simple page today, so I'm hoping you will like it. So let's get started. Okay, so the papers have been pasted onto the page, and this is how it is currently looking. So now I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to add some distress oxide color on top of this page. So I have decided for old paper and ice spruce. So that is what I'm going to apply on top of the page. So let's start. Okay, I'm happy with the current application, but I do feel that I need to put more of the splatters kind of thing on the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some smooshing. Okay, the page is dry and it's looking nice. So I can see that ice spruce has taken over the old paper a lot on different places. So I will use this stencil, which is called overlapping circles, on the page, and I'll use the old paper again to make the impression for this particular stencil. If I feel like it's not working, then I will use hickory smoke as a third neutral color. So let's start. Okay, it's there, but it's very subtle, so I'm preferably going to go with hickory smoke. Okay, so I've got this color Kitsch Flamingo because I felt there's a need of something here, so I got this color, and I'm going to apply it as a splatter on the page, and also I'm going to distress the edges of the journal page with this color. So yeah. Okay, for the final touch, I have had this drywall tape, and I have added alcohol marker ink onto it to make it from the Ohuhu pastel series. So yeah, I thought that pastel series should go with the neutral theme. And here is my focal element. Okay, so I have found the quote for this. Let life be beautiful like summer flowers. And here is the close-up. Really happy with how the page turned out. Though with the using the brown, the old paper color was not showing up that much, but I'm happy with what happens sometimes when how you think and imagine your page and how it turned out is totally different. But yeah, I'm happy with how it is looking right now, and that hint of pastel pink of Kitsch Flamingo is literally giving it the kind of pop which it needs, and it's going well with the focal element. So guys, I hope you like this page. If you like this page, do give it a thumbs up. If you have any experience you want to share with me about your distress oxide journey and what kind of color combination to use, please send me some comments on the same, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.